Hi, I'm Becky Cerling, the Executive Director of the Institute for Advanced Catholic Studies at USC. I'm here in Nairobi and I was able to visit Tangaza University College today to spend a little time with Dr. Daniel Katanga, who's the Director of Research, Innovation, and Extension. He's very excited because they are at the beginning of their journey into academic research. And as part of our visit, I was able to attend a workshop on AI. And it was led by Professor Tom Kwanya from the Technical University of Kenya, also in Nairobi. Very interesting because they were asking many of the same questions that we've asked in our studies about AI, and that we will continue to ask as we walk down the road of humanizing networks. Many ethical questions, many legal questions, safety questions, all kinds of questions about the use of artificial intelligence in the 21st century for people of faith. The thing that was most striking to me about what Professor Kwanya said was that here in Africa, looking at the number of nations that are involved in AI research, in doing robotics, artificial intelligence with robots, no African nation is on the list. And so what he said that was so striking to me was that in Africa, they're facing another kind of colonization. And I think, wow, the combination of thinking about artificial intelligence, its uses, people of faith, and the countries in Africa is a little bit overwhelming. So I hope that we'll be able to also include that in our research. How can we help much of the rest of the world not face yet another colonization?